As you can see in today's thumbnail and the title, Harry's house. How to embroider Harry's house. So the first thing that I do is select where I want to embroider. Then I googled the illustration of Harry's house, and I'm pretty much, guys, whenever I draw, I just wing it. No ruler, no pen, no printed image. I just looked up the image and started drawing it. If you find it easier to follow a ruler or maybe trace it, go do that. Those are two methods that you can use: a ruler and tracing board, or even put the clothes in front of the window and the light will reflect the image. I just pretty much winged it and it worked. Looks good. Okay, next. So the split stitch is what I'm using to outline the illustration, and pretty much it is a stitch that you do and then you bring the needle up from the middle. So there are 6 strands in the embroidery thread that I'm using. I make sure to divide it from 3 on one side, 3 on the other side, bring it back up, and then I bring it back down, leaving about like a gap that is about the size of rice. I always love referencing the size of rice because that's pretty much like the it stitch to create. And then for the windows on the inside, I did divide the strands into 3, and I pretty much did a running stitch. To end your thread, I go around the stitches and then insert the embroidery thread inside the loop, cut the end, and continue. Looking good. I feel like I maybe should have made it smaller. The thing that I love about rethinking about fashion and creating your own clothes, like making my own clothing con sazón, significa that you are pretty much taking control of your creative expression through your clothes. And not only that, you're taking on practices that are healthy, like they're actually you trying to become your best version. By the way, I have Invisalign on, so my accent is even stronger now that I have them on. Like when fashion slows down, when it becomes nurturing, when it becomes about your own personalized journey, where you're able to slow down and really reflect on what you like, who you are, and who do you wish to become, then spice, unique, different, and personalized. It's about investing in myself and understanding the effort that it takes to develop who I wish to become. And it's not that I know, it's not that you know, but it's about experiencing, going out, interacting with people, wearing your own made clothes. I am so happy with how it came out. Look. The split stitch is my favorite stitch for any outline embroidery. So let's say you have your clothes and you want to draw. If you get these water soluble pens, draw your drawing and then take the split stitch to chain, like to outline it. It comes out perfect. And if you keep all 6 strands. Based here on the windows, I did only use 3. Embroidery thread, like I was saying earlier in the instructions, does have 6 strands, and you want to separate it by taking the spiral and moving it around. Pero miren cómo quedó. Miren cómo quedó. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this tutorial. It's like I said, as you can see in the tutorial, today's tutorial is super short and easy. It's perfect if you're a fan of any musician, artist, and they have a logo that you can easily illustrate into your clothes. Subscribe. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesdays are vlogs with Kara, and Sundays are sewing tutorials with Style. All done in Kara style. Keep on shining.